Hello students, today we are going to solve this question of quadratic equation where it is written if this equation and this equation have a common root. A common root means only one common root is there between these two. Then the roots of the equation of this one will be what? Means the nature of this root will be what? So here it is given in the question only that have a common root. So we will take common root as r. Say common root is r. So what we can write here, ar square plus 2br plus c is equal to 0. So if you'll solve this part, if you'll find the value of c from here, it will be minus ar square minus 2br. Okay, this we are going to use in this equation. This is the value of c. Now from here, if I will find the value of c1 in similar way, so c1 will come a1 minus a1 r square minus 2b1r. Hope it is clear to you all, because c1 value we are finding, this 2 we are taking that side, so it will become minus. Okay, and x value we are taking as r because it has a common root, so common root I am taking as r. Now we have c value and c1 value that we are going to substitute in these terms. So first one is b square minus ac. We are taking coefficient of x square, b square minus ac, and c value is given that we will substitute here. So it will become b square minus a, c value is minus ar square minus 2br, correct? If we will solve this part, it will come b square minus minus plus a square r square minus minus plus 2abr. And if you will see it carefully, it is nothing but the b plus ar whole square. Can we write like this? Because b square plus a square r square plus 2b ar will come. 2b ar will come. Okay. Now, this second term we are going to solve. If you will see carefully here, 2b b1 minus a c1. c1 value is what, students? Minus a1 r square minus 2b1 r is there, right? So this one is the value of c1. So c1 I have substituted from here, and then we have minus a1 c value also we have. Minus ar square, then minus 2br. Okay, so all the values we have written as it is. Now we are going to solve this part. If we will solve this one, it will come minus plus a into a1 r square. Okay, then minus minus plus 2 a b1 r minus minus plus a1 a r square minus minus plus 2a1br. After this, what we have to do, this one and this one you can see it is same. So can we write it as, after taking 2 common, b1 plus a1 r square, and here in this 2 we are taking 2 common, so a b1 r will remain, and here plus a1b r will remain. Okay. Now this one and this one in b1 and ab1r, can we take b1 common? So if we will take b1 common here, what will remain here? B plus ar. Same thing, b plus ar we will write here, and then we will think what we can take common in this. So a1r if you will take common, so it a1r into b is this one, and a1r into ar is this one, correct? So this can be written as b1 plus a1r, and here it can be written as b plus ar, right? So now we can see it is in the form of 2ab. This one is a square, this one is 2ab. The last part, b1 square minus a1 c1. Okay, this one c1 value if you will substitute, which we got that one, so b1 square minus a1 c1. Okay, so c1 value we are substituting here in the place of c1, which is minus a1 r square minus 2b1r. So if we will solve this part, it will come b1 square minus minus plus a1 square r square minus minus plus 2b1 a1r. Okay, so again it will be also in the form of b1 plus a1r whole square. Okay, so now you see here what we are getting, b plus ar square, here we are getting b1 plus a1 r square, b1 plus a1 r whole square, and here we are getting 2ab term. So now we are in the last part of this question. B square minus AC we have solved and we got B plus AR whole square. So B plus AR whole square we will write here, and with x square plus, for this part what we are getting, 2 B1 plus A1R and then B plus AR, okay, x plus, for this one B1 square minus A1 C1, for that we are getting B1 plus A1 R whole square. Okay, so if you will see it carefully, it is in the form of A square plus 2AB plus B square. So we can write it as B plus AR x, okay, and then for this one we will write B1 plus A1R, okay. So it is in this form. So this is our A term and this one is B term. So it is in the form of A plus B whole square. So this is A square plus 2AB plus B square. So now it is given equal to 0. Now think here, whenever any square terms comes, for example x plus 2 square comes, so for this root will be what? If you will solve it, x plus 2 you will write 2 times. So that means x will be minus 2. That means roots will be equal. So here for this question, then the roots of the equation will be equal because it is in the square form. Okay. So hope this all things is clear to you. How we have solved? First we have taken this one, that it have a common root. Common root means we have taken one common root here. We have substituted r in both the equation and we have solved for c value, constant value we found, and that constant value we have substituted in these terms individually. First we have solved for this part, then we got one equation in the form of b plus ar whole square we got. For this one when we have solved, we got 2ab term, and for the last one when we have solved, we got b1 plus a1r square. From here we have understood that it is in the form of a plus b whole square, and finally we have finalized that the roots will be equal. Okay, roots will be equal because it is in the square. So hope this part is clear to you all students. If you have any other doubt, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.